Hello. Last class we have already discussed how to create a basic dashboard. So most important programs we have already discussed that four most important thing keep in our mind. And I hope in this class we will understand how to explain uh, dashboard pages and dashboard header we will discuss later and sliders. But I will try to understand the dashboard body because in previous class we discussed dashboard body. So body can explain here in the rows and columns. So we create a boxes, row boxes, and then we can see the how your dashboard has been seeing this way. So now let's see. I have already written this code and look here just UI, and these are already discussed, and we have already plotted in the previous class. Now today I have to discuss from the server to till here, right here. But I try to here is it working and not working. So look here, this code has been created, and now I think I try to, because last class I have seen the some problems. So today I do practice, but look here, I am I getting any problem? Otherwise, you don't waste your time and my time also just editing. So sometime maybe the internet problem it cannot work. So somebody can understand that this is the wrong way, just to do it wrong. Okay, look here. Yeah, this is the working. Okay. So now you can extend and your data has been changed, just histogram has been changed here, right? So I hope the most intelligent people can understand what am I doing. Just so I am going to write here same functions. Look here, in the last class we have already discussed till here, and then we can start from that sign server these functions, and then but today we need to discuss these things, so we can put directly, otherwise I don't need to write this one. So I have written here the seed set dot seeds. So I have taken the 122 numbers here. So it has been created automatically, right? Seeds and hist data are normal, just 500 value, and you can take the any value, don't worry, don't need just and the output dollar plot, because we these are the numbers, so the output dollar plot 1, the render plot we write here, and parenthesis again, and then we can write the this brackets here. So you can say the middle brackets and curly brackets, and now the data we need to create a histogram data, means, and then a square bracket sequence length input dollar slider, and this one. So and then it has been closed automatically because we already previous created. And last steps right here the signing apps. So this is the way to we can create signing apps. So look here, and now we can create the copy and these terms, and look till from UI, look here, yeah. So UI has been till here. So now it is going to run this data. So now again I think it's not working. Yeah, just in beginning I have just discussed here, so don't need, because see this one is the same data, so don't worry. So I told already, just sometimes the internet is not working properly, so it is not possible to see the all the values, sometimes the stuck. Okay, look here, but now this time is working. So you can see here. Now it is working properly here. Now it is working properly in front of you. Okay, so look here, your data is looking this way. So it is a perfect, and now you can see your basic dashboard has been created in this class. Thank you for this. Next class we will discuss how to change the basic dashboards, the heading colors and some things. You can edit the message and other terms also, timing and these things. Okay, so I try to do. You can learn a perfect, and you can create a basic dashboard, and so many rows and columns has been created in the letter. So thank you.